Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 4 power x plus 4 power x plus 4 power x plus 4 power x is equals to 512 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So from left hand side I can take 4 power x as common. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 512. 4 power x times 4 is equals to 512. 4 power x is equals to 512 by 4. So it gives us 4 times 1 is 4. It gives 11. 4 times 2 is 8. Now 32 is 8 times. Now 4 I can write it as 2 square whole power x is equals to 128. According to exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn. So it becomes 2 power 2x is equals to 128. If we do prime factorization, we can write it as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 power 7. Now, if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So, 2x is equals to 7. X is equals to 7 by 2 or 3.5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So, please give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.